At the time of recording, the government have announced that eligible organisations will be able to reclaim 2 weeks of SSP where paid in relation to COVID-19. We've added a standard account for this, so if you go to Accounts, Add Standard Account, and look for the COVID-19, you'll find a current asset account for the purpose of the reclaim. Select the box and click OK. Now you'll also need to add a payroll element for COVID-19 SSP. The reason for this is to distinguish between the COVID-19 SSP and regular SSP. So add the payroll element, defining its element type as SSP. As it's not going to be a regular thing, this is an ad hoc amount, and it's relevant for PAYE, NIC, and pension. Now specify the newly added SSP account as the posting account. Save and submit. You would then need to add this payroll element to any employee who you pay SSP for COVID-19. So add the payroll element simply by clicking Add and selecting it. You'll then enter the amount of the payment to be made and then click Save and Submit. You'll now process your payroll in the regular way. If there are any changes to be made, you can use the Quick Pay and Deduction. Scroll down your list and make any changes. For example, if you're only paying somebody for part of the month, an SSP will make up the balance. Make those alterations, click Submit, and then in your payroll processing, enter your payment date, and again submit and calculate. Obviously, you would then eventually go through to file your RTI, and if we assume that we've done that, we'll look now at the individual's payslip. So if we go to Payroll Reports and Payslips, we'll see that Kim here has got a payment for SSP in relation to COVID-19. If we look at the balance sheet will show, we've run this at the end of the month, so if we date at the end of the month, the balance sheet will show as an asset under other current assets the COVID-19 which we can reclaim. Now, when you do reclaim that, you can either process this through your regular bank import or here as a miscellaneous deposit doing it manually. Enter your reference. It's going obviously into the current account. Let's say it's sometime in the middle of April that we actually receive this, and we'll add it. But the account to which we're analyzing it is our current asset other account and the COVID-19 account. So that will, entering that value there, reduce the amount that we can claim on that account. And we can confirm this by looking at the balance sheet. So if we look at the balance sheet again, there is no amount receivable as under assets for that COVID-19. And we can confirm this if we actually look at the individual account itself. From the Accounts menu, Current Assets, COVID-19 account, we can see the original entry coming in from the payroll as the amount we can claim, and then the miscellaneous deposit being the amount we have reclaimed. That's it, and we look forward to communicating other changes with you in the future.